Welcome to Excellence in Excel. I'm Nick Wong, and in this video you will learn how you can remove a specific conditional formatting in Excel. Imagine right now we have this table here and you see there's a mistake here. Accidentally I clicked on a conditional formatting on the wrong cell and we want to remove this, but how can you do it without damaging any of the other conditional formatting, since there's another one in there as well? So how to do that? Well, very simple. So you can see here the option, and what we can do here is the following. Step 1, just make sure you're on the home panel and click here on conditional formatting. And in conditional formatting you can see all the rules. Basically that means there are all the formatting conditions active. Let's select there on manage rules. You can see right now it doesn't show you anything, and the reason why it doesn't show you anything is because you didn't select the right cell. So make sure you select the right cell, click here on conditional formatting, manage rules, and now you can see exactly the condition that is set. In this case, this icon is incorrect, so we want to remove this. How to do that? Very simple. Just click here on this minus symbol here, and once you do that, you can see instantly the manage rule, or the rule we're going to icons, is gone. Click on OK to confirm, and now everything works perfectly and it removes the wrong conditional formatting. And this is how you can remove specific conditional formatting in Excel. If you like tips and tricks regarding to Excel, check out the link below. In there you can find a wonderful Excel course that goes deeper in all kind of things for Excel. And if you have a question, just let me know, post it in the comments, and I'll make sure I'll follow up back to you.